G'day everybody and welcome back to my channel. I've got a different video for you today. Just a short one because I'm just taking a quick look at something. I've got a little bit of a hint on the screen for you. Leave it in the comments if you've picked up on the hint. I'm not going to give any more away, I'm just going to dump it in front of your eyes. Yes. By the way, that was a hint. For those that recognise it. Anyway. So yes, I've had a quick look inside. Only because I want to have a look at the caps. I didn't realise that they have Nippon Chemicon, the KMA series. I've never had a problem with these caps. I thought just because this was old that the caps in this might be bad, but I don't think they're going to be bad. These are really good caps. The other thing I've got to do is I got this from Japan, so it's set to 100 volts apparently. So we'll put that to 240. Nice. Alright, let's have a look at the fuse, the current fuse. Okay, let's see. It's just a little half turn style when you lift it up. That's why you don't ever just start flexing down on stuff. Branding on this fuse. Oh, I'm just going to go take this fuse to the multimeter. Also, I want to just make sure it's rated for the right current. Oh, this is a 7 amp fuse. Is it supposed to be 7 amp? I thought it was like 3. Oh, that's the front and rear current input fuse is 3 amp. I'll have to look up what rating fuse goes in here because I don't know and I can't see it. Well, not written on here anyway. No, I can just see the front and rear current input fuse that's here. Mains fuse obviously. I don't know what this 7 amp fuse is. I would assume that it's the current measurement fuse. That goes in weird, doesn't it? Oh, it's half a rotation to get it out. Oh, I see. It's still. Oh, it's not bent. So the fuse is not going in at the bottom. Without the fuse, does it go in? Yeah, without the fuse, it goes in. It's literally the fuse. Maybe I've got to put the fuse in first. Don't see why that would be the case, but oh well. That's it. That's how it works. Put the fuse in first. Or maybe I just had to push that down more before I turned it. Who knows, but it's always better to be gentle on things like that until you figured out how it works than to go crack. Alright, well, I'll have a quick look at these capacitors. What are they supposed to be? We've got 1000s, looks like 3 of them. Is that third one? Yes. Oh no, 2200, 1000, 4,700. Alright. I'm just going to have a look at those caps quickly. One moment. Alright, got the LCR here at 120 Hertz. That's the 2200 mic, and I wouldn't be surprised if it is 2200 actually in actual fact, and that's just because it's in circuit. Really would not be surprised. If they all test a little bit low, then I might end up changing them, but at this point, no. The thousands bang on. Nice ESR still. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, this thing can't. Never mind. It's looking alright. I'm pretty happy. That is correct. Well, I give that a clean bill of health. Those capacitors are all good. Alright, this is looking really promising. Caps are good. You know what, I didn't check that one little fuse on the back. I'll just have a quick look at that. Same style of socket, yeah. No, that fuse is fine as well. Beautiful. Fuse in first. No, apparently the back one, you don't want the fuse in first. Let's see. Interesting fuse holder sockets on this thing, but hey, that's neither here nor there. Now, the only other thing I'm slightly concerned about is the fact that the buttons on the front of it that you press, they're made out of a rubber sort of membrane, and they're literally chipped. Can you imagine how much force, unless it was like a sharp object, which it may have been, because I do see this. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm lucky here. I don't think this has actually taken that much impact. It just looks like it has. You see that line there and that line there? That's these chips are right in between those two lines. I think something's just gone past it and sort of scraped it. I don't think it's actually copped like a, you know, like a huge whack in the front. I think it was sort of on a side angle, so that's good. Alright, well, put it back in its case. Oh, I don't see any reason to do that before testing it. Let's test it. I'll be really happy if it works. Alright, so will this legendary piece of gear work? Oh yeah. Alright, I'm happy. Oh, we're on the rear. I was a little bit worried for a second then. Holy shit. Oh, wow. Well, I am a very, 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 very happy person. This thing's basically already calibrated. This is good. I mean, I won't know until I run different higher voltages in it, but at least down the bottom end it is. And it's got good zero reference. I'm happy. I don't see why the rear terminals would be any different, but wait, are the rear terminals just noisier because they're at the back of it and there's traces running down the board? Maybe in the comments if you know. I'm sure someone watching owns one of these. Let's just, oh, no, you know what, I'm in the wrong jacks. I'm on the 2-wire, 4-wire resistance measurement jacks. My bad. There you go. Beautiful. Well, this is a really happy day for me. Cool. Very, very cool. Where are we? Oh. I'm pretty happy. I haven't cleaned jacks or anything. I have cycled this switch a good, I don't know, 20 times, something like that. Just, you know, in case there's any, you know, the contacts are oxidized when you cycle it, it wipes the contacts against each other. Sort of like using banana jacks, they're self-cleaning, right? Because every time you insert them, they, yeah, you know what I mean. So I was reading 12. I might clean that switch out. Might put some contact cleaner in that switch, but yeah, that's the only thing I can see myself wanting to do apart from calibrating it and in 7.5 digit mod. Yeah, there you go. Bloody awesome. Alright. Well, that concludes the video because, I mean, all I wanted to do was just have a quick look at it really. And we've done that. We'll be seeing more of this, I can tell you, in future videos. Alright, well, I've got some things to go and do in the house now. I've got to go clean, feed cats, feed myself, all that sort of jazz, so I'm going to go get that done. If I have time later on, I might get back onto the amplifier. Who knows? Otherwise, I'll see you all tomorrow. Alright. Thanks for watching and take care. I'll see you in the next video.